Disabling two-factor authentication on Google Calendar involves adjusting your Google account security settings. Follow these steps to complete the process. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Open your web browser and go to the Google account sign-in page. Enter your email and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, locate the Security section in the left-hand menu. Click on it to view your account's security settings. Step 3. Find two-step verification. Scroll down to the Signing into Google section. Here, you will see an option for two-step verification. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Disable two-step verification. You will see an option to turn off two-step verification. Click on the Turn Off button and confirm your choice when prompted. Step 5. Review your security settings. After disabling two-step verification, take a moment to review your security settings. Ensure that your recovery options are up to date in case you need to recover your account in the future. By following these steps, you can successfully disable two-factor authentication on your Google Calendar. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and updated recovery options.